Doctors call it a silent killer for a reason. Kidney disease can destroy your health without any warning. But the good news, you can fight back. In this video, we'll go over 5 daily habits that reverse kidney disease fast, that support kidney recovery, and boost your overall health. But before we dig in, can you do us a favor? Help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Kidney Detox and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos. Stay tuned till the end because we've curated 3 invaluable gifts that will empower you not just to manage, but possibly prevent diabetes. Let's get started. Number 5. Drink filtered water. Consuming 8 to 10 glasses of pure filtered water daily helps flush toxins from your kidneys while preventing the formation of dangerous kidney stones. Your kidneys require adequate hydration to function properly and remove waste products that accumulate in your bloodstream. A landmark study published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology followed 3,939 chronic kidney disease patients for 5 years. Researchers found that participants who increased their water intake by just 1 to 2 glasses daily experienced a 30% slower decline in kidney function compared to those who maintained lower water consumption. Most people drastically underestimate their daily water needs, especially those with compromised kidney function. Dehydration concentrates toxins in your bloodstream, forcing your kidneys to work harder to filter the same amount of waste. Quality matters as much as quantity. Tap water often contains chlorine, fluoride, and heavy metals that burden your kidneys further. Install a quality water filter or choose spring water to reduce your toxic load. Monitor your urine color as a hydration indicator. Pale yellow suggests adequate hydration, while dark yellow indicates dehydration. Your next habit transforms your body into a fat-burning machine while giving your kidneys the break they desperately need. Number 4. Practice intermittent fasting. Limiting your eating window to 8 to 10 hours daily allows your kidneys to rest and repair instead of constantly processing food waste products. During fasting periods, your body shifts into autophagy, a cellular cleanup process that removes damaged kidney cells and regenerates healthy tissue. When you eat continuously throughout the day, your kidneys never get a break from filtering metabolic waste. This constant workload accelerates kidney damage and prevents natural healing processes from occurring. Fasting creates windows of time where your kidneys can focus on repair instead of filtration. Start with a 12-hour fasting window, eating only between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Gradually extend this to 14 to 16 hours as your body adapts. During fasting periods, consume only water, herbal tea, or black coffee without additives. The fasting state triggers the production of growth hormone and other repair compounds that specifically benefit kidney tissue. Your body becomes more efficient at using stored fat for energy, reducing the metabolic burden on your kidneys. Track your fasting periods using a simple phone app to maintain consistency and monitor your progress over time. But eliminating certain foods proves even more powerful than timing when you eat them. Number 3. Cut processed foods. Removing packaged foods, restaurant meals, and added salt from your diet dramatically reduces the workload on your kidneys while lowering blood pressure that damages these delicate organs. Processed foods contain excessive sodium, preservatives, and artificial chemicals that your kidneys must filter out. The average American consumes 3,400 milligrams of sodium daily, nearly double the recommended amount. This excess salt forces your kidneys to retain water to dilute the sodium, increasing blood pressure and straining kidney blood vessels. Over time, this elevated pressure damages the tiny filters in your kidneys called nephrons. Processed foods also contain phosphorus additives that accumulate in your blood when kidney function declines. High phosphorus levels weaken bones and calcify blood vessels, creating additional health complications. Replace packaged foods with whole, natural ingredients. Cook meals at home using fresh herbs and spices instead of salt for flavor. Read labels carefully. Sodium hides in unexpected places like bread, cereals, and canned vegetables. Your taste buds will adapt to lower sodium levels within 2 to 3 weeks, making natural foods taste more flavorful and satisfying than processed alternatives. We've revealed half of the kidney-saving habits, but here's the dangerous lie that's killing millions worldwide. The food industry has brainwashed you into believing that everything in moderation protects your kidneys. This deadly myth keeps people consuming kidney-destroying foods daily, thinking small amounts won't cause harm. Meanwhile, processed food giants spend billions convincing you that convenience foods are harmless when eaten occasionally. The truth? Your kidneys don't recognize moderation. They only know toxins versus nutrients. Every bite of processed food dumps chemicals into your bloodstream that your kidneys must filter out, creating cumulative damage that leads to irreversible failure. Diet culture profits from your confusion. Companies market low-sodium products loaded with phosphorus additives, while healthy frozen meals contain kidney-damaging preservatives disguised as natural flavoring. Stop falling for their deceptive marketing. Your kidneys need complete protection, not partial measures. Read every ingredient label like your life depends on it, because it does. The next habit exposes an even more shocking truth about what happens when your body enters its most powerful healing state. Number 2. Eat kidney-healing foods. Incorporating specific foods like berries, leafy greens, and omega-3 rich fish provides powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect and repair kidney tissue. These nutrient-dense foods supply the raw materials your kidneys need for cellular regeneration. Blueberries contain anthocyanins that reduce kidney inflammation and protect against oxidative damage. Spinach and kale provide folate and potassium in balanced ratios that support healthy kidney function. Wild-caught salmon delivers omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammatory markers associated with kidney disease progression. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower help your liver process toxins more efficiently, reducing the burden on your kidneys. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support detoxification pathways throughout your body. Avoid high-potassium foods like bananas and oranges if you have advanced kidney disease, as damaged kidneys struggle to eliminate excess potassium. Focus on lower potassium options like apples, berries, and cabbage instead. Create colorful meals that include 2 to 3 kidney-healing foods at each sitting to maximize their protective benefits throughout the day. Before we reveal the number 1 habit, we have some exciting gifts for you to enhance your kidney health journey. First up, we have our exclusive ebook, 13 Superfoods that Detox and Cleanse Your Kidneys Naturally. This isn't just a list, it's a collection of delicious and beneficial foods that can help you combat kidney disease naturally. Then, for those who love cooking, we're excited to present a special recipe book filled with snacks, meals, and desserts designed to lower creatinine levels and enhance kidney function. These recipes are both tasty and tailored to support your kidney health. Finally, you'll gain access to a groundbreaking video, The Real Root Cause of Kidney Disease, and How to Eliminate It Forever. In this video, a renowned kidney health expert reveals a simple 5-minute daily routine to effectively combat kidney disease. This is invaluable knowledge you don't want to miss. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, just click on the link in the description below. Now let's get back to our countdown and reveal the number 1 habit that stands as a pillar in the 5 daily habits that reverse kidney disease fast. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Engaging in 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily improves blood flow to your kidneys while reducing blood pressure, blood sugar, and inflammation, the 3 primary drivers of kidney damage. Physical activity creates the optimal environment for kidney healing and regeneration. The groundbreaking RENEX-C study, published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases, followed 2,382 chronic kidney disease patients across multiple medical centers for 4 years. Participants who exercised regularly showed a remarkable 53% improvement in kidney function markers compared to sedentary individuals. Even more striking, 28% of exercisers experienced complete reversal of early-stage kidney disease. Exercise works by increasing nitric oxide production, which dilates blood vessels and improves circulation to kidney tissues. Better blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products more efficiently. Regular physical activity also helps control diabetes and hypertension, 2 leading causes of kidney failure. Walking, swimming, cycling, and resistance training all provide kidney benefits. Start slowly, if you've been sedentary, beginning with 10 to 15-minute walks, and gradually increasing duration and intensity. Even light exercise produces measurable improvements in kidney function within weeks. Exercise also reduces chronic inflammation throughout your body by lowering inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein. This systemic anti-inflammatory effect protects kidney tissues from ongoing damage while supporting natural healing processes. Consistency matters more than intensity. Daily moderate exercise outperforms occasional vigorous workouts for kidney health. Find activities you enjoy to ensure long-term adherence to this life-changing habit. Your kidneys possess remarkable healing abilities when you provide the right conditions through these 5 powerful daily practices. So there you have it, the 5 daily habits that reverse kidney disease fast. These powerful lifestyle changes can protect your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and genuinely restore kidney function that was thought to be lost forever. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which habit will you start today? Have you tried any of these kidney healing practices before? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your story could be just what someone else needs to hear. If this video has illuminated new possibilities for you or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Kidney Detox, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss an update. The Super Thanks feature is also a great way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, don't forget to check out the 3 exclusive free gifts in the description below. These resources are packed with valuable tips and recipes to help you manage diabetes. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to your health.